Here we are today at our house in Far Rockaway. We're closing on it today. I just installed new deadbolt and a lock for the front door. And as we tell everybody, just leave everything the way it is. Whatever you don't want, just leave. This is the dining area. And then we go into the kitchen and we have a pile of garbage, dishes in the sink, garbage, and whatnot. Now I'm going to go upstairs. I haven't been there yet. We're going up to the second floor. Let's see what they left us up here. Not bad. This is the master bedroom. One of the closets. The second closet. And the bathroom. Not bad. The bedroom, the larger of the smaller bedrooms. And then the small bedroom. And that's how they left it. And then in the basement, they just got boxes and garbage, nothing a lot, but this was pretty good.